Slight tweaking of the order.
But I think para 13 is what.
All other matches, council will take dates, we'll be giving actual dates, please don't be worried on that count. Coming back to only item 50, nothing else.
May I only
Yes,
insist
50,
about
50, please.
50, your lordship may kindly
Lordship, we have filed an affidavit.
may I have
Yes, when you file an application, let us have the
If
affidavit.
Lordship kindly says,
Yes.
getting
What is
it.
it saying?
Lordship would see from paragraph 12 onwards.
12.
Para 4 is your lordship's last direction.
Yes, let's.
We have taken your Lordship's last order and
ऐसा कर भाई
Yes.
Para
We
4
have
may
filed in item 50.
in item 50 we have filed,
Okay, let us.
but given to everyone in other matters.
Yes.
your lord.
What para do you
Para
want?
4 may kindly be seen firstly, my lord.
What para do you want?
Lordship, it's my affidavit.
Yes, tell us what para, hurry up.
Lordship may kindly start from paragraph 12.
12.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, 12. Start reading 12. Yes, it is
Yes,
12.
Lordship. If Lordship Lordship would see, they take from page, paragraph 14.
Yes.
In light of the specific queries raised by this honorable court in its order dated 22/1, the details is answered is given. The detailed of number of vacancies that were advertised were 11,758 posts in different subjects in various categories in all districts.
So total DED is 14015, right?
That is the valid applicant taking pre-2020 and 2020 batch.
Okay, both pre-20 and 2022.
That is the total valid applicant. We have not taken
It means you've not disqualified them
No.
because of the batch
No,
or
some
for other reasons.
other reasons. They are
Not like-
not filled up complete form and all this.
Really, total.
Then the total number of valid applicant for DLED candidates, including special DED and 4-year BLED, which is an integrated.
It's 11,327.
11,003. This is for pre-2020 batch. And for 2020 batch, the total valid applicant is 2842. Now, Lordship, we have said in the 3 matters here, total 916 persons are petitioners. We are not going into the dispute
All
whether
right. Right, so it's 9 months.
916.
Now,
And we have given a panel, draft panel, as per Lordship's direction on the last date. We have given the panel and also 5% additional panel wherever there were requirement. The total number for all these 9533. So it's a statewide vacancy, statewide panel. This is statewide. This is statewide panel. After this, we will give it to the different districts and they will recruit. So number will go down a bit. Because there may be a place where we have 100 seats and there are 120 eligible candidates. So 20 will not get. That will happen once we work it out completely.
So numbers are likely to further decrease,
Further decrease.
not increase.
No.
so coming again, para 14.
Yes.
Correct.
The number of vacancies advertised.
I've actually
Yes.
seen this.
Number of candidates applied, he has given a breakup in B, 1, 2, 3. So they're saying in A category, there are total, both pre and post is how many did you say total?
2842.
Where is this?
Para-
Roman 1.
Actually, para 15, they say ultimately they found 9533 qualified from out of those 14,000 and odd who applied.
Yes, Lordship.
Roman 1.
Where does it say total valid application? Which were they?
Lordship would see paragraph 14. Paragraph 14B1.
14.
14.
Page 6.
In fact, if your lordship reads 15, it is better. Kindly
No, sir, let me
All right.
read mine.
All right.
B1, where is the number given?
Yes, Lordship.
Valid application, 14015.
Yes, that is taking both pre-2020 and 2020 batch.
140.
In fact, if your Lordship adds up 11,327 and 2842, this 14,015 number comes.
Okay, then total valid applications Roman to 11,327.
That is for pre-2020, where there is no dispute about their eligibility.
So total of 2 and 3 is 1.
Yes, 2 and 3 is what?
So breakup is that.
So 14015 should engage us, and the advertised quotes are 11,758.
Yes.
There is,
Now, out of,
there is only one ICT, my lord. Specialization.
Against the advertised 11,758 posts.
Yes.
The applicants, total number is 14015.
Yes.
So this
and
applicants are more than the number.
no,
of
but
posts.
out of that, the 2020,
9533.
which where the valid applicants are 11,327. The qualified candidates, we have given the draft panel is 9533, including.
My friend is not reading para 15. Please read para 15.
No. The totally qualified candidates are 9533. So
Applicants is one part.
that's right.
Those who have qualified is 9.
How the figure,
Includes 5% additional.
just if your Mr. Kunal Banner, this 11,327 will get reduced to, yes,
Para 15.
that's what I was saying if your lordship reads. para.
Addition 15% where?
Para 15, Lordship, it indicated that as per draft list, prepared under Rule 85A, read with 86, the deponent has found 9533 qualified candidates.
You didn't read that out. We will-
Exactly, I was telling him, your lordship to see that. So this
11,000 as against 11,000 or 9533.
3 remain.
What? The
In the draft panel.
It's a free 2020.
320.
We have given a number on the next paragraph paragraph 16 is that we have annexed the list 2108 DLED candidates from pre-2020 batch who are not qualified to be in the draft panel. So 11,000 odd who were the applicant originally, we have to,
They are not qualified, not because of their taking the exam or anything, but
because of their
valid
score, we have given the marks also in the panel.
on merits.
On merits, very low score.
Oh,
Okay.
that is post 2020.
So that is pre-2020.
That is pre-2020.
So we are left with a difference.
May I interject? Malak?
Yes.
So these 9533, straight away they can be appointed.
Quite right, we were.
No, there's no dispute by anybody on that.
Lordship can make it subject to the
Manoj,
outcome of this.
Manoj, no, the point and Urdu medium. Now we are all Bengali medium people. If all these people are appointed, there will be no Bengali medium post left for us.
No,
1 minute.
they're fully qualified.
If you are qualified and you're part of the list, then why will the post not be?
We are post, can I just explain, answer the question?
You are post 2020.
We are post 2020. We are the people for no fault of ours. We were sitting idle from June 2020 because the board was fighting and the board was suspended.
Session commenced in December 2020.
Just 1 minute, no examination.
December 2020.
But we can't-
It will be over in 22
Sir,
December.
I cannot argue like this. If my friends start shouting on my head, it's impossible.
11,000, if even 9,9533 qualifies, still there are.
2200.
But they are not of Bengali medium.
It entirely subject to result.
They are not, they are, they are, if, so total remain Bengali.
Mr. Patwale is trying to make a different point. He said that there are 3 categories of the vernacular language.
Yes.
Now he said that if you fill up this,
Yes.
the remaining is not that of Bengali vernacular.
It is there. It is there.
That is
Final order.
That is.
Yes.
If you are fully qualified, how can it
So
stop?
you are lower in merit. You are lower in merit. Your being qualified is not enough.
Sides in their favor.
Yeah, 1 minute.
There will be no equity in favor of whoever we are.
Malad, if everybody can be accommodated, then let them make a combined merit list of them and us and appoint everybody. There are sufficient vacancies for everybody.
That only after when we give the
No
green
matter
signal.
without
Correct.
hearing.
Correct.
That can be done.
There almost
But we can't keep everybody. Mr. Patwale.
That's-
May I make one point?
So,
May I make one point?
My only fear is that this Bengali medium post will get filled up and we.
2,000
We'll record that your cause will not be defeated. We'll record that.
Yes.
How will you do it later?
Subject.
Subject to the
Not
outcome.
compromise.
Yes, and even this will be subject to the outcome.
Everything should be covered. This is
Subject to the outcome.
Malad, then only have para 30. Then Malad, only one thing. Can I, Malad,
No, excuse me, just hear the order. If you want, don't disturb in the middle. If you want, we'll tweak it.
I want your lordship to read.
Matter which is connected with the outcome of this particular petition, Lord, that petition is listed tomorrow.
No.
What happens, just can I make this?
How's it
Blood-
connected with
We have
this?
got the 2020 selection, the 4,000 vacancies were carried forward to 2022 selection. The Honorable High Court decided in favor of the petitioners therein that these 4,000 vacancies could not have been carried forward to the 2022 selection.
So the post would all increase. But this is
There
the-
the issue is something different.
Blood, that.
I'm appealing there. We have
That-
a SLP.
Yes.
Who are you comparing for?
Blood, I am appearing the petitioner in those
No,
cases.
no, my friend is not here.
Private petitioners.
Wait for your.
My friend is not here, Lord, he cannot.
Wait for your.
You
turn.
wait, you listen.
You all-
No, Lord, I have one more.
SLP is listed tomorrow. we will-
Kindly let us dictate the order. If they want to.
Lord, I have one important. Minister of Power, kindly.
Mr. Patwale, if you want any change, just notify.
No, I have one additional fact to point out, Lord, kindly listen to me. Kindly have para 13.
Yes.
My point is, in para 13, it is said that the board can conduct interview and aptitude tests for the remaining candidates from 2022 batch and submit a report in a time-bound manner. After your lordship makes the order allowing them to make appointment, please tell them to comply with para 13. Give a report to your lordship. We will know how many of us remain.
Right.
Okay,
By order.
fair enough.
By order 2024, the respondent West Bengal Primary Education Department was directed to file an affidavit furnishing certain details. Relating to the candidates, the said affidavit has been filed with copies furnished to counsel for the remaining parties. As per the said affidavit, now let us see where were you, which page was the affidavit?
Page 6.
Page 6.
Yes. As per the said affidavit, the 111,758 posts in various categories in all districts across the state of West Bengal were advertised for the post of this, what was this? What?
Primary teachers.
Primary teachers.
Assistant teachers.
Assistant or primary?
Assistant teacher for primary.
Teachers, assistant.
Primary
teachers.
school.
In primary schools. Stop. After furnishing the details of the number of candidates who had applied in response to the advertisement, it has been stated in the affidavit that the total valid B/EL/ED applicants for 2020 batch comes to, do we need to give this figure or go straight to the other one?
Yes.
9533. 9533.
That it is stated that as per the draft list prepared by the respondents, the 9533 candidates qualify, which includes an additional panel of 5% candidates in accordance with the rules. Stop. It is stated that a total of 2,108 D/EL/ED candidates have been found not to be qualified from amongst pre-2020 batch in the draft list. Stop. It is further stated that para 17, you said?
Yes, but it's actually para 17 which is relevant.
It is further stated that the in view no.
Malaks, these qualified candidates, appointments can go ahead, Malaks.
That 1 minute, that D/EL/ED candidates from 2020-22 course have not been considered in the draft list as yet due to the issue pending in the present matter. Stop. Para. Having regard to what Mr. Patwari are pointing out.
Para 13.
Para 13.
That will come after your lordship finishes this.
Having regard to the fact that as against 11,758 posts subjects in various categories from all districts, the respondents has found only 9,533 qualified candidates, including additional panel of 5% candidates.
From the pre.
It is deemed appropriate to permit the declare the list, right?
Correct.
The merit list with a rider that the said list should state in clear terms that the appointments made shall be subject to the outcome of the present petition. Stop now, para 30. The board will conduct interview and aptitude tests for the candidates from 2022-22 DLED course and submit a report within 6 weeks.
Yes.
Within 6 weeks. With copies furnished to the other side. Listen, there are. That's all.
This will govern the next matter also.
After accommodating all these, because then they may not fill up those also then.
But the remaining posts shall become vacant subject to further orders that may be passed by the.
Grateful,
The only
grateful.
thing, my lord, may
But your
consider,
lordship may only
because what
state
will happen, they will now cite that he
Yeah.
is permitted to fill all vacancies of
We
2020.
have said remaining posts will not be filled out.
Not
Let's
the
put it up.
4,000 posts which are wrongly allocated.
No, my friend is not a party here and he's arguing, I'm very surprised.
We may be
Subject to
permitted
the
to
outcome of
give
the
appointment letters.
Yes.
This governs 50.1 matter also.
Subject to the outcome of pending petition.
Letters of appointment that shall be.
That also will be subject.
Say that the appointments
All remaining
made
posts will
shall
remain.
be, letters of appointment proposed to be issued to the successful candidate shall specifically state that
Yes.
any appointment, their appointments are subject to the outcome.
Result of this.
Grateful, great.
Probably one submission. Item 36, Lordship said, call the workmen to come here. Any date.
Tomorrow, if the workmen are coming here, then we do tomorrow. They are here
Yeah, they are.
tomorrow, we don't want to delay.
Yeah, that's what I think.